Good afternoon, my dear students. In the last class, we have studied how the vowels are applied to Syriac words and how they are pronounced, written. Today, we come with certain alphabets, which are the alphabetic order. Identify the following letters and write in alphabetical order. For example, the letters identify these letters and write these letters in alphabetic order. It's very easy. Olaf, Bet, Gomel, Dolet, He, Wau, Zain, Het, Tet, Yod, Kof, Lomat, Mim, Nun, Samukat, Ye, Pe, Sade, Kuf, Rish, Shin, Tau. 22 letters. Write them in alphabetic order. You can do. Okay, do it. Apply correct vowels to the following vowelless word and pronounce correctly. Yes, vowelless words. Which are the vowelless words? See. Here it is a vowelless word. Vowelless Syriac word. It is difficult to read. Then we apply vowels and read very easily. Pronounce it very easily. See? Yo, lu, po. Yolupo. Yolupo means student. Okay? Then, tau, ris, o. Tau, ris, o. Vowelless Syriac word. Then, vowel, taravo. Taravo means a door. 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 Taravo. Then, next one. See, give vowel. Aravo. Aravo means earth. Earth. Aravo. Then, next one. Give vowels. Baito. Baito means house. House. Then, Lebu, lebu. Okay? Then, see how the vowels are applied. How the vowels are applied. No, fish. Lebu means heart. No means fish. Then, next one. Try to read. It is impossible. Then we give vowels. Hasano. Hasano means bridegroom. Hasano. There is a dot below the letter tau. Hasano means bridegroom. Then next one. Can you read it? Kohano. Kohano means priest. Kohano, priest. Then the next one. Try to read. Lahamu. Lahamu means bread. Lahamu, bread. Then A. Ainu. Ainu means I. Then try to read. Ga. Gamalu. Gamalu means camel. Gamalu. Then next. Try to read. Suluto. Suluto means prayer. Suluto means prayer. Then the next exercise is rearrange the given letters in alphabetic order. The Syriac letters will be given disorderly, not in alphabetic order, and you have to write these letters in alphabetic order. It is easy, you can do. Okay? You have studied the Syriac letters in alphabetic order. Okay. Kalbu. Kalbu. How it is written? Kalbu. Kuf. Kalbu means a dog. Kalbu, dog. Then Sapporo. Sapporo means bad. Bad. Sapporo. Then Yolupo. Yolupo means student. Yolupo means student. Tilito. Tilito. Tilito means child. Tilito means girl. 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 Boy, girl. Girl. Tilito. Kudaro. Circle. Circle. Kudaro. 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 Circle. Circle. Round. Kudaro. Taliyo. Taliyo. Boy. Ta. Lomad. Taliyo. Boy. Boy. Taliyo. Baito. House. Baito. House. Then Aravo. Aravo means earth. Aravo, earth. Baito, Aravo. Aravo, earth. Yolupo, student. Yolupo, student. Taravo, door. Taravo, door. We have studied. Gamalu, once again. Gamalu, camel. Gamalu, camel. Okay? Then Aino, ice. Aino, ice. Aino, ice, organs, eins, ice. EYES, ice. Then Hasano, bridegroom. Hasano, bridegroom. Okay? Then Kohano, priest. Kohano, priest. Priest, Kohano. Malko, king. Malko, king. Malko, king. Then Slutho. Slutho means prayer. Slutho, prayer. Okay? Try to read and write all these words with meaning. Get the meaning of these words. Try to read and write it. Okay? Thank you. Identify the following letters, Syriac letters. Identify the following letters and write in alphabetic order. See how much letters there are. There are 22 letters. Aleph, Bet, Gomel, Dolet, He, Waw, Zain, Het, Tet, Yod, Kof, Lomad, Mim, Noon, Samakat, Ye, Pe, Kuf, Rish, Tau. Apply correct vowels to the vowelless word and pronounce correctly. Apply correct vowels to the vowelless word and pronounce correctly. See, Yolupo, Yolupo. Student, Taravo, Tarvo, Taravo, door. Aravo, Arvo, Aravo, earth. Baitu, Bai, A plus Yoda, I. Baitu, house. Baitu, house. Lebu, Lebu, heart. Nuno, Nuno, fish. Hazano, bridegroom. Hasano, bridegroom. Kohano, Kohano, priest. Lahamo, Lahamo, bread. Aino, I. Gamalo, camel. Slutho, prayer. See, once again these Greek words and try to pronounce and apply vowels to the vowelless words. Rearrange the given letters in alphabetic order. Rearrange the given letters in alphabetic order. There are Kof, Rish, Shin, Tau, Yod, Pe, Olaf, Samakat, Dalat, Ye, Gomel, He, Tet, Kof, Lomat, Tzain, Sade, Het, Wow, Bet, Noon, Meme. Rearrange all these letters in alphabetic order. Today we once again go through certain vocabulary and meaning. Try to read all these words. Kalbo. Kalbo means dog. See, the word begin with a kof. See the shape of the begin kof. Not wow, but kof. Kalbo. Sapporo. 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 Sapporo means bad. Yolupu, student. Yolupu, student. Tilito. Tilito. Tilito means girl. Hudoro means circle. Talio, boy. Tiloye, boys. Baito, home, house. Aravo, earth. Yolupo, student. Taravo, door. Gamalu, camel. Aino, ice. Azano, bridegroom. Kohano, priest. Malko, king. Silutho, prayer. Okay, read once again and understand the meaning. Thank you.